My grandfather started it in 1929, and then my father continued, and now I'm in the business. We have some really good chocolate. It's very smooth and creamy, and we have all different kinds of chocolate, and we have a tremendous selection. We have over 200 different kinds of chocolate-covered candies. And that's not including all the other things like fudge and gummies and brittles and all the different shapes and things like that. I started when I was 10 in the candy store, and I would package candies in boxes, and I'd wait on customers.
And how about, let's do 3 coconut of dark and 2 of light, please.
So people will come to Krause's not just for really delicious chocolates, but they also come here because we have a huge variety. They can get all kinds of things.
I don't